now going to touch the pad. Everybody in the world fused. Yeah. Now then, crew, and welcome back to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. And I've got Tool Girl Lilli back in the workshop again.
Hey guys, it's nice to be back.
Yeah, hi Lilli.
Good to see you.
Yeah, likewise. It's great to have you back in the workshop. It's been actually way too long, hasn't it?
A long time.
Yeah. The first couple of videos that we did together, they were very popular. And
they were really good. I enjoyed being here.
Yeah, and I really enjoyed editing them up actually. It was good fun because there was some really good angles in there. It was good. Okay, well, this is a very short mail call video because, well, I heard a noise in the loft the other day, and that's where the postman brings all the parcels now, and I think you might have a parcel.
Oh, should we check it out?
Absolutely. Now, just before you leg it up the ladders, also, Tool Girl Sam got a parcel the other week, and in that parcel were some shorts. These look. And Sam, well, she was a little bit reluctant to wear them, to be honest. So I thought, hey, I know exactly the tool girl that's going to wear these. So you can also put those on. So you grab hold of those.
Let's rock these.
Have a check, see what the parcel is. And then probably you're going to be getting changed. Now, I'm going to hold the ladder just for health and safety reasons. You don't want you plummeting down.
I need to finish the job.
Oh, there you go. I thought there was one there.
Urgent overnight.
Bloody good. It's obviously important.
Let's check it out.
Alright, come on then. Good job. Okay, come and show the people what you've got.
We have an urgent overnight parcel. I think it's for myself.
It is, that's definitely for you.
Right, look into this.
Yeah, don't break your nails, whatever you do.
They're already broken.
Oh, really? Oh, it's not bloody good, is it? Yeah.
Can't be a tool girl with pretty nails, Andy.
Well, I don't know. Could be. Right, come on, dig your way in.
I feel sharp edges.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Jeez.
wow.
Yeah, show the people a bit. What have you got?
What are they?
Oh, my word.
What is it?
They're very shiny.
They're very shiny. They're very platform.
Ah!
They're very beautiful.
Yeah, it looks to me like you've been sent some PPE boots.
Beautiful boots.
Look at that.
They're just my size too.
They are perfect because
Beautiful ribbon.
with them having that nice sheen, it means that you can wipe them down really well. That's a really good bit of thinking. You've just got the one, or is there another one? You're gonna hop around the workshop.
Wow, those are awesome.
I hope there's two the same.
They better be the same.
Looks to me like you've got a hell of a lot of lacing
They
to
are
do.
gorgeous. They're going to take a while.
Oh, look at that! Fantastic.
They are beautiful.
Great job. Oh, I'm really chuffed with those.
Awesome. Thank you to whoever sent those
Well,
through.
they were sent. I did get. Basically, they have sent some others through. I think Jade got hers from there as well. These people here, which is Wear It Out, and they're based in Tauranga, just down Taronga. I'm Yorkshire. I can't pronounce shit in New Zealand, honestly. Okay, so there you go. That's their card, and they've been very helpful in supporting the channel and making sure that the Tool Girls have got some proper footwear, basically.
Awesome.
Because
Thank you. These are beautiful.
yeah, cool. Okay, so you've got those to lace up and everything.
Lace up.
And well, they're not going to work very well with the jeans that you've got on, so you better wear those as well, I reckon.
Awesome.
Okay, well, it's time for me to leave the workshop again, gentlemen. There's no way that I can film Lilli putting all this gear on. But
See you soon.
yeah, back in a second.
These are gorgeous. What do you guys think? I love them. Very shiny, gorgeous hip.
Holy shit.
Hello. I'm so tall.
Wow,
I'm bloody
you're
tall.
actually taller than me now. What the hell is going on? That is
So much
ridiculous.
height on these boots.
Jeez, just drop back a bit, let's have a look. Holy moly. Man,
Knock someone out with these.
they're dangerous in themselves, aren't they? Give us a twirl, let's have a look. Man, you wear those shorts really well. They are fantastic.
They are awesome.
Good job. Yeah, they fit bang on, don't they? So, you've got the shorts and they fit. You've got some wickedly cool boots.
I love these boots.
Very smart.
Such a great
Now,
deal.
I think there might be, I'm sure I heard another noise up in the loft, there might be another parcel for you, Lily. So can you pop up that and just check it out for us? Like, are you going to be okay in those boots?
I think I'll be alright.
Okay, I'm going to come and hold the ladder for you.
Yeah, maybe hold the ladder.
Yeah, I'll stand this side, I think. I don't want to swallow the view. There you go. Keep going. Might be at the back. I don't know. Can you see anything?
No.
No.
Not
Oh well,
yet.
worth a try.
Maybe tomorrow we can check.
Could be, yeah.
Awesome.
Good stuff. Right, let's go head back to the bench.
Not today.
Oh well, maybe next time.
Maybe next time.
Well, crew, there you go. A quick mail call video. Tool Girl Lily's back in the workshop.
Good to be back.
Yeah, we've got lots of videos to do today, so we're going to crack on. If you enjoyed the video, why not click on the subscribe button? In fact, I'm going to move that camera a bit, Lily. Sorry, we're both. You're too tall now.
Tall now. I need to move back.
Damn, that's better. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, why not click on the subscribe button? You'll see a little gear icon turn up. Click on the gear icon, and then you can tick the box and turn on notifications. You'll also find me on
Facebook, Instagram, Google Plus, and Twitter.
You will. Feel free to communicate through any of those portals, chaps and chapettes. However, first point of contact, if you don't mind, via the comments on YouTube, because let's face it, that's where I am most of the time. Now, there is a new or recent Patreon page. You can drop onto that and you'll find profiles and pictures of all the tool girls that have been through the channel so far. Some have gone, some are still here. I hope Lily's going to be around for a lot longer because
Check out my profile is on there now too, I think.
Oh, cool. It is. That's right. Yeah, Tool Girl Lily's got her own profile. Absolutely. And I think you've got your own Patreon page, haven't you? As well?
I do have
Yeah,
my own
yeah, so we'll
Patreon
try and put
page
a-
under Lily Steele.
Lily
Yeah.
Steele, I'll try and put your link in the description of this video so you can go and check that out for Lily as well.
Cool.
Now then, what else? Also, if you do decide to donate, please only send through what you can afford. That's very important. I don't want anybody, struggling just because they feel they have to send something through. You don't have to send anything through at all. However, if you want to send through like Wear It Out did, if you want to send through any kind of clothing, gear, boots, PPE, whatever you like, for any of the Tool Girls, please do send them to the PO Box, which is down the bottom in the description. And we'll be sure to do a video of it.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
and a huge thank you to Wear It Out for these awesome boots.
Yeah,
They're very sexy, they're very gorgeous.
I think it was. I'm sure it was Stacey, from memory, was the lady that contacted me and said, "Could we do this?" And I went, "Yeah, of course you can."
Thank you, Stacey.
No problem at all. So,
Cool.
yeah, going to be putting those boots through some pretty hard times
Hard
over the next
labour.
few videos.
Got
Yeah.
some hard labour coming.
Okay, crew, it's goodbye from Andy Mechanic, and it's goodbye from...
Tool Girl Lily.
Absolutely. Cheers, crew. We'll see you next
guys.
time.
See you later.
Over and out. And we get the pick up again.
Oh!
Really.